This part of my house is constantly staying dirty, so I invested in this steam mop right here, and it has helped so much with the floors, and it is super easy to use. So all you're gonna do is first put it together. It took me 2 minutes to put together. That's including putting the water in here, putting the bottoms on. So easy. So the first thing is you're gonna put the little cleaning scrubbers on the bottom, and then you're going to attach this part to the bottom, and then you're also going to attach the handle. You also have a telescopic neck, so it does rise. I don't need it to rise, I like where it's at. And then all you do is plug it in. What my favorite part about this is you have the cleaning section. So the steaming section is definitely my favorite part. So you have the motor button, which that's going to turn on the bottom and start spinning. What this top button is going to do is going to make it steam, and you have 3 different settings as well as the motor button, and so just those combined is going to get your floors super clean. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it all on. So this is just cleaning my floors, and I'm super excited about it. And when I'm done, I just turned it both off by hitting the power button. Not only does it come with all of this, but you also have a box full of goodies. So you have 2 extra little bottom pads, you have another handle, and then you have a bunch of different attachments as well as a cup to fill it with. So if you're looking for a nice steam mop, this definitely is a great choice. I'm Kenzie, and I'll see you later.